Hello everyone, I am Pratham Dilip Dhas, a student of Vishwaniketan Institute of Management and Entrepreneurship, WIMIT, and today, along with my teammates, I am honored to share our incredible journey from the International Summer Internship Program, which is held at the University of National and World Economy in Sofia, Bulgaria. This internship organized by the WIMIT itself, and it is a global experience that brought together the students from the different nations and all passionate about the innovation and the entrepreneurship.
Hello, my name is Soham. This internship was more than just academic learning. We got the opportunity to explore real-world startups, ecosystems, study global business models, and interact with professors and entrepreneurs from various industries. One highlight was the business simulation exercise, where we work in multicultural teams to solve business challenges. An experience that truly shaped our decision-making and leadership skill.
Namaste everyone, my name is Om Pisal. So one of the most exciting aspects was the industry visits and field exposure. Whether it was interacting with startup founders in Sofia or learning about how European innovation policies work, everything added depth to our entrepreneurial perspective. This global interaction helped us compare the Indian and European startup scenes, and we came back with actionable insights and global thinking.
Hi everyone, my name is Pranadeepak Sutar. This program also taught us about teamwork, adaptability and intercultural collaboration. From group projects and presentations to managing daily life in a new country, we grew personally as well as professionally. We learned how to pitch, prototype and plan for sustainable businesses, all while making an amazing international friendship.
Hello everyone, myself Meenakshi Zundale. Being a part of this program also meant stepping outside our comfort zone. We participate in panel discussion, startup pitch session and networking event. This opportunity helped build our confidence and communication skills on a global stage. Personally, this was a turning point in how I see entrepreneurship, not just as a business, but as a way of creating lasting social impact.
Hi everyone, myself Anushka Sikandrapurkar. Along with all this academic and professional learning, the cultural exchange we experienced was unforgettable. From Bulgarian traditions to global perspectives shared by fellow participants, with this internship truly made us global citizens with entrepreneurial minds. And today, receiving the certificate with grade A is a proud moment for all of us, a validation of our efforts, commitment and growth.
As a team, we would like to thank the University of National and World Economy, our mentors and especially Vishwaniketan for believing in us. This certificate we hold, it is just not a normal document. It is a symbol of everything we have learned and everything we aim to build in the future. From all six of us, thank you so much. This is the just beginning of something new. Thank you.